Got another wonderful listing for you to check out. This one out in Shelton, 4251 East State Route 3. It is a waterfront property. I don't know if you can see the water back there behind me. It's on the Sound. You've got like 100 feet of waterfront across the Route 3 there. So start with waterfront, but one of the main features about this house, daylight's hard to see, but this right here, we've got beautiful flowers going on there, but that is actually a setup for a projector screen. So you've got a projector screen here. Along with the sale of the house comes the projector and the screen. You've got a cottage here that's a potential rent out, or you could have your family staying with you if you wanted to do multi-generational. But fire pit, screen, projector, and cottage. I mean, this isn't even a house. These are just additional, right? How can you argue with that? Let's just take a quick look inside the cottage. It's got a full kitchen, everything you'd want. Yeah? So that's a big bonus for those people that like to work on things. You've got a 3-car shop. If you wanted to work out of your home, you've got the home, you've got the 3-car shop, you've got the cottage. If you wanted that for an office to kind of separate home from office, it is on a large lot, 1.5 acres. You've got fruit trees, you've got a garden. It's fully fenced. You can have livestock, your horses, goats, fainting goats. There's also an RV pad over there. It's fully hooked up with water, power, and sewer. Let's check inside the house just real quickly. I want to show you the view, and that's it. Come see it. You're missing out if you don't come take a look. Seriously. All right, let's go in. All right, we're just set it up. You got the nice peaceful sound. Open concept, of course, what everybody likes nowadays. It's one open concept. And here we are. Bonus room. Beautiful view of the Sound. We've got a terraced lawn, little drainage down there. Again, fully fenced. And then there's bedroom up here and 2 downstairs with a shower and a full bath downstairs. That's, again, you have to come look at this place. There is so much going on, so many opportunities. Come take a look. Joe Allen, Property Fest. Thank you.